Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can indent in Excel. This is actually pretty simple and straightforward, so not a super long video for you here today. But here we have some names and we have teams. We have 3 different teams with names under those teams. And we essentially want to indent the names so that it kind of looks a little bit more organized. So to indent in Excel, all you do is select the cell you want to indent. So I'll select B4 or Jack. And then you just go up to Home, Alignment, and then you just hit this Indent button, and that'll indent for you. Now you can also indent multiple cells at the same time, so if I select these and I hit Indent, it'll indent all of them. So I can go ahead and do that, and then Control-click the rest of these, and I can indent, and that way it looks a little bit more organized. So that's just the easiest, the simplest way to indent within Excel. Now, if you want to remove any indentation, you just select the cells that you want to remove that for, and you just hit this decrease indent button next to it. So pretty simple, nothing crazy, but thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, smash the like button before you go. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.